Good morning, everyone. Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. Lately, my team has been helping a lot of customers with replacement DVRs and security cameras for QSEE surveillance systems. So QSEE went out of business earlier this year, and a lot of customers out there need help because their DVRs have failed and they're looking for DVRs that are compatible with their existing cameras, or if they have a bad camera or two that went out, they're looking for a compatible replacement camera that works with their QSEE DVR. And we've been having a ton of success helping QSEE customers out with BNC cameras. So unfortunately, it's not quite as easy with network IP cameras. And if you're not sure if your QSEE system uses BNC cameras or network IP cameras, look on the back of your recorder. You're either going to have a DVR or an NVR. If the back of your recorder has BNC connectors, then you have BNC cameras, and we have had a ton of success, almost in all cases, helping customers with compatible equipment. However, if on the back of your recorder, if you have an NVR and you have Ethernet, RJ45 Ethernet cables, like what you plug your computer or your laptop in when you plug into a network, then you have an IP camera system, and it's not so simple. Unfortunately, QSEE did not use open standards with their IP cameras and with their NVRs. ONVIF is the industry standard, and that's the protocol that allows interoperability between manufacturers. As long as the manufacturer uses ONVIF standards, then you can use a Viewtron NVR with a Zavio IP camera, for example, and vice versa. It makes it easy for consumers to mix and match if they need to. Or in cases like this, if someone goes out of business and you need a different brand, you can find something that's compatible. So, unfortunately, if you're looking for a replacement NVR, if you have QSEE IP cameras, you need an NVR, I don't have good news for you. You're gonna have to replace your NVR, and you're gonna have to replace your cameras as well, because the QSEE IP cameras are not ONVIF compliant, so they don't work with third-party NVRs. It's unfortunate that QSEE took this route when they're manufacturing IP cameras. It is what it is. There is some good news. At least you'll be able to leverage your existing cable, your existing Cat5 Ethernet cable, or you may have Cat6 cable, whatever network cable you're using to connect your IP cameras to your QSEE NVR, you'll be able to leverage that with a replacement system. And we can help design a replacement system for you. I highly recommend our Viewtron NVRs and our Viewtron IP cameras. We have a pretty big selection of IP cameras ranging from 2 megapixel 1080p resolution. We have 4 megapixel cameras that have AI software built in for object detection. And then we have 4K IP cameras that all work with our Viewtron NVRs. So in summary, if you have an existing QSEE IP camera system and your NVR went bad, unfortunately, you're going to have to replace both your NVR and your cameras. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out to me anytime via email. I can be reached at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about these replacement NVRs, these Viewtron NVRs and IP cameras, please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/QSEE IP. Thank you for watching.